student. Here we discuss about mole concept, stoichiometry. We are dealing with all papers of AIPMT, NEET, IIT, etc. Different entrance exam. I have selected questions from there. So be with me. I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel. God bless you. Get success my channel. Mole concept. The mass of carbon anode consumed only carbon dioxide in the production of 270 kg of aluminium metal from bauxite by Hall's process is they have given option. Now see here, bauxite they have given and Hall's process means everything you should know about this, that bauxite ore is alumina, Al2O3, okay, and in case of Hall's process at that time they have written carbon anode. Electrolysis of alumina we are getting aluminium, okay, only because it is very active reagent, so we have to get aluminium from alumina by using electrolysis method. At that time here carbon anode will be there, carbon anode will be oxidized to carbon dioxide. So you should know the balanced chemical equation. Everything is hidden, that is why it is as in PMT exam, okay, AIPMT exam. In 2005 they have asked. So twice of Al2O3 plus 3 carbon gives 4 aluminium plus thrice of CO2. Nowadays they are taking old papers and from there they are selecting answers, question, paper. So please do all these exercise. So here I have written, so we have to think about only aluminium and carbon. So how many aluminium molar mass of carbon first you see. So molar mass of carbon will be equal to 3 into 12, that is 3 times 12 is equal to 36 gram. So this much gram of carbon is used up when 4 moles of aluminium is formed. So 4 into 27, so we have to calculate out, otherwise you need not to calculate, I have done it directly. So 4 times 27 grams of aluminium. So we convert it since it is given in kg. So this multiply by into 10 to power, that is into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. Okay, that is into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. Earlier it was in gram, now we are saying that it is in kg. 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. Okay. Now in the production of 4 into 10 to power 4 times 27 into 10 raised to power 23 kg of aluminium is produced by 3 into 12 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg of carbon consumption. So 270 kg, simplify it, you will get 90 kg. So answer is 90 kg, I have written here. Now Avogadro number is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 number. Okay, 1 mole of any substance occupy this much number.